Kendra Richards. I'm in 9th grade and I'll be singing Fly Away by Scott Allen. She told me about Captain Hook and all of his men who followed Peter with the hook replaced as his hand. In those tales, bad guys seldom did win, so the captain was eaten and Wendy had twins. Well, that's the story as I recall, but I may have made up the end, don't remember much. At 3 feet tall, except for when I say, Mom, let me go to Neverland. Let me fly for one day and throw fairy dust in my hair, so I pretend I'm flying away. I'm flying away. And though life is never easy, as we as children read in the books, where fairy dust could just fly you so far away, all I ask is that you leave me my imagination, so I can pretend I'm flying away. I'm flying away, and that is where I'd stay, right there in Neverland. I'd be flying, I'd be dying for love, appreciation.